Downloading musical instrument samples and got an sfArk file. This is a specialized compression format for SoundFont audio files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through extracting and using these sfArk compressed SoundFont archives. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the sfArk file. I'll reveal it at the end. A compressed archive containing a SoundFont SF2 file used for storing musical instrument samples. Musicians and producers use the sfArk format to reduce the file size of large SoundFont banks for easier distribution and storage. The user's primary goal is to decompress it back to a usable SF2 file. The sfArk format uses a proprietary compression algorithm specifically optimized for the data structures within SoundFont files. This targeted design achieves higher compression ratios than general-purpose algorithms like zip. The file is a binary container that must be processed by the sfArk utility to be restored. For viewing and interaction, sfArk is most commonly opened via sfArk from Mellowsoft. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows might show the file as an archive, but opening it properly depends on external utilities. We are looking for the exact software decoder. Right-click the sfArk file and select Open With. Use sfArk if installed. If it's unavailable, choose another program and check compatibility. If you still can't open the sfArk file, it's okay. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, decompressing with sfArk. Download the sfArk decompression utility from preservation archives like Polyphone, SoundFonts.com, or archive software repositories. Run the application and select the sfArk file to decompress. The tool extracts the original SF2 SoundFont file ready for use in MIDI synthesizers and music production software, requiring SoundFont sample-based instruments. Next, using Polyphone. Polyphone, a free SoundFont editor available at polyphonesoundfonts.com, includes built-in support for opening sfArk compressed files. Launch Polyphone and use File then Open to select the sfArk file directly. The application decompresses the file in memory and presents the SoundFont contents for editing and export to SF2, SF3, or SFZ formats. Finally, loading in MIDI software. After decompressing to SF2 format, load the SoundFont in MIDI software like FL Studio Cakewalk or specialized SoundFont players like CoolSoft Virtual MIDI Synth. The decompressed SF2 file works with any application supporting the SoundFont 2 standard, providing access to the instrument samples for MIDI playback and music production. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.